Sairam children, welcome back to the session. Today we are going to revise lesson number 4. Yes, what is the name of the lesson? Can you recollect it? Lesson number 4, the Northern Plains. So children, let's start. First we will see where the Northern Plains are located. So children, look at the map on the screen. As we go south from the Himalayas, we come to the vast northern plains of India. And they run parallel to the Himalayas, that is from Punjab in the west and Assam in the east. Is that clear, children? Okay. You had learned that rivers originate where? In the Himalayas. So many rivers originate in the Himalayas. Many rivers that originate in the Himalayas, such as Ganga, Brahmaputra, Sutlej and Indus. They flow through the northern plains of India. Children, from where do these rivers get water? Yes, these rivers are mainly fed by the melting snow in the Himalayas. That is why they have water throughout the year. And such rivers are called perennial rivers. So children, do you remember this we had learned in the previous class? Isn't it? As the river flows, the rivers bring with them fine soil called silt or alluvium. Alluvial soil is very fertile. It makes the northern plains one of the most fertile regions of the world. So children, look at the picture on the screen. This is the picture of the flat and fertile land of the northern plains. Children, you had learned about tributaries in the previous lesson, isn't it? So the main rivers have several tributaries or smaller rivers joining them. An area watered by a river and its tributaries is called a basin. So, the northern plains can be divided into 3 basins. How many? 3 basins. They are the Sutlej Basin in the west, the Ganga Basin in the middle, the Brahmaputra Basin in the east. So children, let's learn these one by one. First is the Sutlej Basin. The river Sutlej and its tributaries flow towards the southwest through Punjab. They join the Indus River in Pakistan, and the Indus finally flow into the Arabian Sea. Punjab and Haryana lie in the Sutlej Basin. This is a picture of the Bakra Nangal Dam. The Bakra Nangal Dam has been built on the Sutlej River. It provides electricity and water for irrigation. This is the Indira Gandhi Canal, which starts from the Sutlej. It provides water to many dry areas of Rajasthan. Next is the Ganga Basin. So children, tell me, which is the most important river of the northern plains? Yes? Ganga. The Ganga is the most important rivers of the northern plains. The Ganga Basin is spread across Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. So children, now tell me, from where do the Ganga originate? Yes, the Ganga originates from the glacier Gangotri. The Ganga originates from the glacier Gangotri. In the mountains, it is fed by several tributaries such as Alaknanda, Bhagirathi and Mandakini before it enters the northern plains at Haridwar. As it flows slowly in the plains, it is joined by several tributaries like the Yamuna, the Gandak, Ghagra, Kosi and Gomti. After flowing through Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, the Ganga enters West Bengal. Here, it splits into many branches or distributaries. The two main branches are Hooghly and Padma. The Hooghly flows through Kolkata and then enters the Bay of Bengal. The Padma enters Bangladesh and here it joins the Jamuna. So children, please note, the Jamuna and Yamuna are two different rivers. So Padma enters Bangladesh and joins the Jamuna, the main branch of Brahmaputra in Bangladesh, before entering the Bay of Bengal. The delta made by Ganga and Brahmaputra is the largest in the world, and it is called, do you know? Yes, it is called Sundarbans. So children, with this I'll stop. We'll see some objective questions. First question, fill in the blanks. The silt that rivers bring with them to the plains is also called, options are alluvium, clay, sand. What is the correct answer? Alluvium. Second, an area watered by a river and its tributaries is called a dash. Options are distributary, basin, delta. Yes, what is the answer? Basin. An area watered by a river and its tributaries is called a basin. Next is name the following. A dam built on the Satluj river. Options are Bhakra Nangal Dam, Hirakud Dam. So children, what is the correct answer? You all know is Bhakra Nangal Dam. Second, the most important river of the northern plains. Options are Narmada, Ganga. So children, what is the correct answer? Yes, Ganga. Ganga is the most important river of the northern plains. Next is multiple choice questions. First one. The northern plains does not include the options are the Ganga Basin, the Satluj Basin, the Narmada Basin, the Brahmaputra Basin. So children, you all know the answer. What is the correct answer? Yes, Narmada Basin. Second, the delta made by the Ganga and the Brahmaputra is called dash. Options are Sundarbans, Sangpo, Haryanvi, Tibet. So what is the correct answer? Yes, Sundarbans. So children, with this, I'll stop. The remaining part of this lesson we will continue in the next class. Until then, goodbye. Stay home, stay safe.